Okay. What's going on? Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chrissy here, and for this video we'll be doing a braid out tutorial. I did post a picture on Instagram the other day, and a lot of persons were asking me to do a tutorial on this look. So for this video we're going to be using the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream. That's that. And the multi-use pure oil blend, the oil. I'm almost out because I love this thing. And our favorite, the Wetline Extreme Gel. So right now my hair has no product at all in it, so I'm just gonna, you know, like re-wet it a bit because I don't want it to completely dry out, and I need my hair to still be wet while I'm doing the style. So I have my hair clips and my Denman brush, and oh yeah, and just a rat tail comb to make the parts. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. As I said before, there's no product in my hair right now, and also my hair is already detangled from my whole washing process. So it makes things a lot, oh god, easier. This feels nice. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is oil my scalp with the oil. I really want to hurry up and work because I do not want my hair to get dried out. And it's very important that your hair is detangled through this process. Since we're doing a braid out, the fact that we're going to be taking it down, and what I mean is unraveling it, it has to be where you want the hair to be. You know what I mean? Because if the hair is like tangled, and then we plait it up and make the braid, then when we're unraveling it, it's going to cause a lot of frizz and it won't be defined as you want it. So when I'm doing my braid outs, I don't like to do the sections too small, because you have to think about it, the hair is wrapping around each other, and if it's done too small, then the coils are going to be too small, and if it's done too big, well, I don't want my coils to be too big either. So I do kind of like a medium size. So first thing, because the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream is so moisturizing and it's so thick, I don't use a leave-in conditioner with it. And because I am going to be applying a lot of product to my hair, I do not want to put too much product on my hair. So the only like cream I'm gonna be using today is the Melanin cream. So I distribute that throughout the whole section. And then I detangle, even though my hair is somewhat detangled already. We're gonna do this again because, as I said before, you want it to be completely detangled, so it can come out just the way you want it to be, very detailed and not too much frizz. All right, so there we have it for this section, so you can see the size. Hopefully you see that, and like this amount of gel. All right, I use this amount of gel on the section, and it's a lot of gel. Okay, it is, and I finger detangle that throughout the whole section. and making sure I get every single strand. Okay, and it's almost like the perpendicular method that I'm using right now, where I have my hands like this and then I come down. It's almost like I'm doing a wash and go, but that's not what we're doing right now. Let me just show you guys how that looks. Right? Alright, so let's continue doing that. And I just do this until I feel satisfied that all the strands of my hair is actually has the product on it. And also to make sure that I'm not feeling any tangles or anything like that. All right, there we go. And then I try to get even sections, 3 even sections, so I can make the plait or the braid, right? And then I start, and let me tell you, I do it to the root. I do it to the root, and it's very, very tight. I plait it all the way to the end as far as I can go. And when I reach to the very, very, very tip where I feel like I can't go anymore, I take it right there. I wrap it around my finger like that. And then I do sort of a mini bantu knot right around the end. So take off the excessive product, and then I just leave it as is. So this is what the end looks like. I take this much. This is gonna be 2 sections, so in total I have 3 sections in the back, just to give you guys an idea of the size of the plaits that I'm working with. The only thing I don't like about the diamond brush though is like, even it's not pulling out your hair, but you can hear it just like, and it's like, oh my god. All right, so in total I have 15 braids in my hair. 15. All right, so that should give you, like, all of them are pretty much the same size. So once this dries, I'm gonna come back on camera and show you guys the takedown. Okay, I'm back. And as you guys can see, my hair is dry. I didn't do anything to it at all since I left you guys. So the white residue is dry. It's been what, about 2 days? As long as it's completely dry, then there should be no problem at all. So like if I squeeze it, you can see there's like no product, no kind of wetness or anything like that. I just take a little more of my oil, or you can use any oil that you want that's not too thick, and I'm just gonna touch up my braids, you know, because I want to break that cast that the gel or the product might have caused. So all right, I'll just use this one to show you guys the detailed takedown of it. So as you can see, where the hair naturally separates, that's where I'm gonna actually separate it. I won't force any sections apart because then that's gonna cause frizz. And yeah, that's like one section. Let me separate a little bit more here, all right? And then I'll do the same to the other parts. So I just pull on it a little bit and then I separate. And my hair doesn't feel hard. It feels firm, but not hard. Like it still feels moisturized and everything like that, which is why I like this product combination. It's very soft and it's not crunchy. You can't hear any or anything like that. And I can be confident enough to go outside with this and the wind blows and I don't have to worry about my hair becoming a frizz ball, which I love. I love that. Okay. All right, so I take my time with it because as I said, I don't like it to have too much frizz. And you have to really be careful with the ends because that's the part of your hair that shows the most. Did I already do? Oh wow, so this is one plait or one braid. Here we go. Looks nice, right? All right, so let me do the other sections. Okay guys, so this is the finished look for the braid out. As you can see, my hair is very defined. It's not stiff, okay? Like it's not stiff, it's not hard or anything like that. My hair feels very soft. And I hope I was very detailed and descriptive in how to do this style. And for all of those of you who asked, I hope I delivered to your liking. All right, don't forget to actually like the video and share with your friends and comment down below if you plan on trying this style or if you just like it or you know, like something you plan on doing in the future. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. It does get bigger as the days progress.